Welcome to MW's Just Imagine. Keep smiling, you are in Hyderabad. I'm sharing a story of a boy whose mom asks him to go to the bank, as his mother was part of a group who took a loan from the bank, and for that installment payment, he went to the bank. Mom gave him a cover with money and bank details. He just took the cover, put it in the bike front cover, and went to the bank. As soon as he reached the bank, he asked the attender to give money depositing voucher. As he gave him the voucher, he just moved to the other desk where one couple was filling the voucher. When he was taking out the bank details from the cover, some of the money have fallen from the cover, approximately 3 to 4 notes, 500 INR, and one among them was 2,000 note, which he have not noticed, just took 3 of 500 notes from the ground and filled the voucher and went to the cashier to deposit the money. But the cashier asked the boy to fill the number of notes which you are depositing. As the money was from 10 different peoples, there were many different types of notes, which made it difficult to calculate. But anyhow, the boy just sat at one corner of the bank and counted all the money. After calculation, he was shocked that 2,000 was missing from the whole money. He just remembered the words of one person who said to him that the couple who was standing on the same desk picked 2,000 notes at the same time when you were picking your 500 notes. At that time, he was not sure if it was his or not, but now when he came to know that his money was missing, he was trying to remember about them. He got to know that when he was at the cash counter, the couple had just withdrawn the money and left the cash counter. The boy ran toward the cash counter and asked for the phone number of that particular account and told about the incident. The cashier said she can't do anything and asked the boy to go to the manager's cabin. Boy ran toward the manager's cabin, explained the incident, and asked him to check the bank's CCTV camera. Boy was shocked after manager reply, as he told that the desk was a corner of the bank. The camera could not catch the incident properly. He was tensed, but manager have provided the mobile number of that couple. He took that number and called the couple to explain all the things which had happened after they left the bank. He and the manager saw that you had picked the 2,000 note, which is visible in the CCTV camera, and the manager gave me the number, and he asked you to return my money. The call was lifted by the husband. He just told that I haven't took the note and said just give me a minute so I can ask my wife about that. Later on, after a minute, he confirmed that his wife picked that money by thinking that it was his husband's money. He apologized for that, and he said that he is 5 kilometers away from the bank and he needs to leave for the office. But his wife will get back to the bank and return the money. After 10 to 15 minutes, she reaches the bank and returns the money. The boy thanks her for this, and at the same time, she also apologizes for her mistake. The boy was happy that the money was deposited in the bank, as if she had not returned the money or the person who had told about this couple, if anything was not in the boy's favor. Then the boy needed to pay 2,000 from his pocket, which was almost 2 months of pocket money for him. He thanked God for this. The boy was none other than me, the writer of the story. This was a real-life incident which has taught me to keep helping others or do good things. One day it will help you in your worst time, which can make your bad or worst day a good day. I have shared this incident of my life to show you that in this incident, no one was wrong, as me who haven't noticed that one of the note is missing. Neither the lady who took my note, because as human nature we will take things which is used for us, it is just part of human nature, but over that person who was sitting behind me and later told me about that information, helped me in getting my money back. At that time I have not thanked him. If he come across this story, a special thanks to him. Keep doing good things despite of it, get back or not. Good things take time, as they should. We shouldn't expect good things to happen overnight. Actually, getting something too easily or too soon can cheapen the outcome.